So I'm only speeding through the beginning and then a piece in the middle, but there's a chunk right at the 1 minute mark, I think 52 seconds if you want to skip through, where I want you to pay attention to, I guess. But essentially I'm increasing still for this entire round, and then I'm going to hold it up to my template and I'm going to see that it is too big. How do you fix that? Because we've been increasing evenly, whatever. So I'll show you how to do that. But the other thing about it is, though, if you're working on a person that has a slightly larger head than the average person, that's how you would do that. You would just add more increases until it's slightly bigger than the template, and you don't have to worry about matching it to the template. Now, if you're working with somebody who has a slightly smaller head, then you would, you can match that too. You just take away some of the increases. But this is the end, I think, of row 8 or 9. I'm not entirely sure, but now it's too big on the template. What I'm going to do, this is where it slows down. Thank you. So I'm going to follow it along the template. It's sitting right on top. And I'm going to track down exactly where it goes completely over. I mean, the whole stitch is over the edge of the template. So I marked it as right there. And now I'm going to frog that entire row, which is why I sped through it. I didn't think you wanted to watch 8 minutes of me working that row just so you can watch me frog it. But I'm going to frog up until that point, and then I'm going to stop increasing, and I'm just going to put 1 stitch in every single stitch for the rest of the row. That's it. That's how you match it. At that point, it doesn't matter anymore if it matches the template or not. You can put the template aside until later, but that is essentially it. Again, if I'm being confusing in these little videos, I have other videos and pictures and things like that. And here I'm just speeding through me adding 1 stitch into every single stitch around. And that'll be the end of row 8. And then in part 9, I'll show you how to work the length of the hat. So now we've worked the crown. This is what's going to determine the size. And next we're going to work on the length, and that's going to determine how far it fits and how slouchy you want it. So I'll see you in part 9.